Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here. Back at you again here, coming with some new and exciting products. Today we're going to be talking about some new clutching options for the 2018 to 2022 Wildcat XX models. We've had our Hypershift clutch kits out there now for several years, but over time we've kind of got more time on them and have just noticed some of the tendencies and things that guys like and dislike, and taking customer feedback and everything like that. And we've revised all of our specs on these clutch kits, and we think you're really going to like them. Actually, I know you're going to like them. You're actually going to love them. So the things we focused on with it, and a lot of the complaints we got, is if you ever try to drive them off at a slow speed, or drive them on a trailer or off a trailer, or like if you're rock crawling, those situations like that, you always get that jerky and chattery feeling, and the engagement's real jerky. That's one of the main things that we focused on with this new calibration, with these new weights, primary spring, and the rest of the package. We've eliminated that. It's a super smooth, butterly smooth engagement. I mean, as soon as you touch the gas, the car starts to move. It engages nice and smooth. It's just real easy to drive at slow speeds. It's not jerky or anything there. There's no clunks, no clanks. Just works really good there. The slow speed drivability is much improved. And then when you mash on it, and when you want all that power and performance, it's still there too. So you're getting the best of everything with this setup. As you can see here, it comes with one of our new H5 alloy primary springs, H5 alloy secondary springs, a set of our machined adjustable weights, adjustable weight kit. These weights will come preset for your application. So when you're on the website and you're picking your different elevations or your different tire sizes, whatever, that's where all that comes down to. We'll send them to you preset. You still have extra adjustments if you want or need to make it, but like 99% of the time, what we send you is what's going to be good. And then it comes with one of our compound radius helixes. The kit retails for $549.95. And again, if you already have one of our Hypershift clutch kits and you kind of notice those things in the machine, trust me, you're going to absolutely love this kit. I wished it would have been what we came out with originally for everything there, but unfortunately you get smarter over time, we get better over time, we learn the machine better over time, and we've got this new kit, and it's an amazing setup. You will not be disappointed. Super smooth drive off, super light, easy, smooth engagement, and good power and performance everywhere else when you're on it, when you're mashing the gas or cruising, things like that. It just works awesome all around. So check it out on the website. If you guys got any questions, give us a call, and we'll talk to you soon.